40 years ago, Maldivian farmers grow different type of crops like taros, cassavas, sweet potatoes. And the main crops in the Maldives is coconuts. Then other crops are mangoes, taros, bananas, chilies, papayas. And they are not irrigating that time, and rainy season they cultivate the crops in the fields. During 1980s, the government established an agriculture center in the Maldives, and we started train the farmers. After that, we were introduced new technologies, and after that, the agriculture become very much changed. And we introduced irrigations, drip irrigation systems, and how to make composts, and we introduced different type of crops and very good quality seeds for them. And after that, the commercial agriculture was introduced in the islands. The soil in the Maldives is very different from other big countries. The soils are sandy and sandy loam. We introduced hydroponic systems, and the farmers started to grow in leafy vegetables and melons, cucumbers in these hydroponic systems. And for individual farmers, it is very difficult to start this hydroponics agriculture because the initial cost is very high. So we target to the cooperatives, and it is very good. The work is going on very well.
This project is Magudu Cooperative Society. This project is United National Development Project. This is a hydroponic system. So my village is the population 809. This society is 373 people, and basically only Magudu man and female, the 18 years old sharehold, not other village. We are growing is the cucumber. Cucumber is the 45 days is the cucumber ready, 100 kilo cucumber. Then eat the Velavar Resort tourist. This project is the 3 growing house. This year June is ready. The 3 house is hydroponic system. The system is the water pipe. Then I am ready the sweet melon, cucumber, lettuce ready. Then this is the very hard work. Every time I think is 2 hours is the water and medicine, very hard. Hydroponic system is very easy. Pipe is the medicine. Then only every day I am come that check the temperature is meter.
For sustainable agriculture, it is very important to add organic fertilizer to the soil. So we introduce how to make this compost, and some projects are still going on how to make compost in different islands in the Maldives.
The sustainable farming in Sonova-Fushi basically start from the compost. The compost itself is really organic, no pesticides, no chemicals. The compost is 100% from Sonova-Fushi. All the food waste from the kitchen goes into the eco centro, and then they mix with shredded coconut, and then everything they put it there for a few days, and then they rotate it, circulate it to make sure that there is the air circulations, and then it comes to compost, and then they mix with some black sand to make sure that it's not so harsh. And these compost we used in our organic vegetable garden. So 95% of vegetables comes from our garden, and the rest of the vegetables, like for example like tomatoes, bell peppers and carrots and those kind of vegetables, we get from 0 kilometers around local islands. We buy from the local farmers, and then they come to Sonova-Fushi. We buy from them, and then we use in our food.
Grandmother, she used to talk to me about her island in Bath called Marikil. It kind of like influenced me from a small child with the dream one day having a farm there and growing things there. Marikilo is unique in the sense it is the only organic farm managed by a Maldivian, run in a very traditional way. I went to university in Oxford, did my degree in ecology, came back, and I wanted to contribute what I had learned to the country. I kind of like used local knowledge, incorporated it with my knowledge together, married the two. My focus is to create awareness among women, the youth, to make them realize that the way forward for sustainable agriculture is through organic farming.